Hello, everybody. In our parsha, we are told that there were two signs of kashrut in determining the acceptability of various animals. One is mafris parsa shosa chesa, a totally split hoof, and the second is ma'alat gera, that the animal chews its cud. The Torah then goes on to tell us about various animals that might have but one or the other of these two mandatory simanei kashrut. Interesting is a medrash found in the Psikta Rabbati. Amar Rav Yehuda Rav Menashe, Hagamal v'hachazir v'hashafan, the hyrax, v'ha'arnevet, Humetamekan, they are listed here as non-kosher animals. V'ho'il shebala asro al Yisrael, since the Torah, in singling out these four animals, is trying to tell us that they are forbidden for Am Yisrael's consumption. Yatchil min simanei tumah shebahem ve'eino kain. One would have expected that the Torah should say, listen, such and such an animal has a deficiency in that it doesn't meet the following standard. It doesn't chew its cud. It doesn't have a split hoof. But that's not the case. What does the Torah do with regard to each of these four animals? Matchil mi simanei tahara. It first lists the one sign of kashrut that the animal does possess. For example, the gamal ki ma'ale gerahu, the camel chews its cud, and then only afterwards it mentions ufarsa lo yafris, but it doesn't have a fully split hoof. And the same with the arnevet and the shafan. And the chazir, first it lists what is acceptable about the chazir. Ki mafris parsahu, it has a fully split hoof. But v'geira lo yigar, only afterwards it mentions the disqualification in its not chewing its cud. And so the Medrash is pondering, why go through all of that? I'm not interested in the one sign that would have rendered it kosher since it's missing the second sign. So simply tell me the chazir doesn't chew its cud. The other three don't have fully split hooves. But rather, Ela patach b'tahara, kedei shelo yotzi dvar tuma mipiv. HaKadosh Baruch Hu wanted to begin with something positive about these disqualified animals rather than making the initial proclamation one of negativity. Havi Omer, mitz imrot Hashem amarot tahorot. The Torah, God's word, is always rendered in a more purified manner. There's a tremendous lesson here for us as well. When we look at other people or events or situations, we should try first to see and speak of that which is positive. Nobody, kimat nobody, is in Ganzen Russia, total Russia. There are positive things. And maybe if in our mind we first think of that which is good about the other, even when we come to reflect on that which is the negative, it might, however, be somewhat tempered because we've already recognized the good side of a situation, of a person, of a condition. Let us always try to fulfill the dictum of Imrot Hashem Amarot Tehorot. Shabbat Shalom.